In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your TikTok profile picture from your account. It's pretty simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. First, you want to open up your TikTok app and then go to the bottom right where you see your profile tab. Once you're on your profile, you want to go to where it says Edit Profile. Then you want to go to where it says Edit Photo or Avatar. And you'll notice that there's no option to actually remove the avatar. So the way we can actually work around this is by going to Google and searching for TikTok default PFP, and then you want to find an image of the default TikTok profile picture. If you go ahead and hold and save this image by holding the image down and then tapping Save Image In, then select Photos. Now if you go back to your profile, what you can do is go to where it says Upload Photo. Then you want to select that photo we just downloaded. Next we'll zoom in so that way it fits the size of the original default profile picture. Then you can go ahead and tap on where it says Save. And now if you go to your profile, you'll see that your avatar is now the default TikTok avatar. So it's as if you don't have an avatar uploaded. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.